Hello, my name is Thanawat Khamtina. My nickname is Autumn. I live in Chiang Rai. I am 15 years old. The reason why I want to get the ODOT scholarship is because this program has a purpose that is in line with my interest, which is to study the culture of each country. The country that I'm interested in are Sweden and Australia. Sweden is famous for technology, and I also had the opportunity to study at a famous university like KTH, which is one of the leading technical university in Europe. I like studying technology and also visit famous companies such as H&M, IKEA, and Minecraft, which are giants of the world. On the Australia side, I went to my favorite city, Sydney. I want to go study AI and game design at the famous university in the country, UTS and Macquarie. If I get in, I want to go to one of these two countries. Thanks.